Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for a DiDi account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open the DiDi application from your app drawer. If you've not downloaded the app yet, go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store and get the app installed first. Once you've got the app, tap on it to launch the app open. Now, this is the first interface of DiDi. Tap on the next button at the bottom and allow location access for DiDi. Now, allow notification access as well by tapping allow, and then from the drop-down displayed at the bottom of the screen, select your country code. Choose from the list of the options displayed on the screen and tap the country code that is available for your country. Once you do that, enter a mobile phone number. After doing so, tap on I have read and accept the terms and condition and privacy policy option at the bottom and tap next. Now, you will need to verify your mobile number. After you receive the SMS code, that is 6 digits long, type it down in the text box. And you will be logged into your account. And you will then be able to sign up for a DiDi account. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.